Control number 29756, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Sharon Tordesillas, 26 years of age. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and 1 younger sister. I'm the 3rd sibling in the family.
Okay, so what is your educational attainment?
I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management, at the Rizal College of Taal, Batangas.
Okay, so have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am. I have never been to any country before as an OFW, but I work here in the Philippines as a babysitter for almost 3.5 years.
Okay, so what is your main duty with your past employer?
I taking care of newborn babies, a baby girl.
Okay, so aside from that, did you also do cleaning the house, washing clothes like that?
Yes, ma'am. I do household works also.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong then?
I want to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper to help my family income here in the Philippines.
Okay, so do you have an experience in taking care of an old person?
No, ma'am. I have no experience in taking care of old person, but I'm willing to learn how to take good care of them.
Okay, so what do you think you can do for an elderly?
I think on how to take a bath of them, change their diapers if the old person is a bedridden.
Okay, so do you have an experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children. She is a baby girl, 3 years of age. I take a bath of her, change her diapers. Sometimes I massage her.
Okay, so what if the children is already going to school? Will you send them to school and teach them with their studies?
Yes, ma'am, I can. I can do tutoring and I will play with them.
Okay, good. So aside from your daily household works, what other special skills can you do inside the house?
Aside from household works, I can also do cloth mending
Okay.
or a little bit knowledge in using sewing machine and cross stitch. I can use
Okay.
cross stitch.
So can you cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Foreign dishes like Chinese steamed fish and vegetables. I can also cook Italian pasta, spaghetti.
Okay, so but are you willing to cook more the Chinese dishes?
I am willing also.
Willing to learn?
I am willing to learn also how to cook some Chinese food and other foreign dishes.
Okay, so describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characteristics?
As a housemaid, I am a hardworking, patient, fast learner, and a motivated person. I can say that I am also a meticulous person because I try to be perfect in everything I do.
Okay, so during misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
If misunderstanding occurs between me and my employer, I will immediately apologize her.
Okay, so describe your relationship with your past employer. How did they treat you? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am. They are good to me and they treat me as a member of their family. They also treat me as a friend. I can say they treat me like that because sometimes if they had a problem, they talk to me, share their problems with me, and then in return, I give them some good advice.
Okay, to sum it up, you said that you are 26 years old, you are single, you have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and you are the 3rd sibling in the family. You also finished your course with the BS Commerce major in Management in Rizal College, and you also experienced to work as a babysitter for almost 3 years. You took care of a newborn baby. Aside from that, you can also willing to take care of an old person. You can take them a bath, change the diaper if the person is bedridden. And for newly born babies, you can also take a bath, change the clothes, do paddle feeding and baby massage. For children, you can do tutoring and send the children to school. Aside from the daily household work, you can do cloth mending and a little bit of sewing machine. And aside from that, you can cook Chinese foods like steamed fish and vegetable and Italian dishes. As a housemaid, you are patient, hardworking, fast learner, and a motivated person, and also a meticulous person. Aside from that, you will also say sorry or apologize to your employer if you have done something wrong. And you also have a good relationship with your past employer. So what now is your message to your future employer?
Dear Sir, Madam, if ever you will choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my very best in doing my job for you to satisfy. And you will never regret as in choosing me.